November 2025 Release Summary. Self-check-in improvements. We've given the self-check-in form a fresh new look. Now you can easily select device type and brand with images for a smoother experience. We've introduced a new functionality that automatically converts first-time users into customers when they complete the self-check-in form. This feature helps you capture and manage new leads effortlessly. We've added a global setting that lets you enable or disable service price visibility during the self-check-in process. This gives you more control over how pricing information is displayed to customers. We've added a new Select Outsource Vendor filter under the Outsource Job tab, allowing you to quickly locate and manage vendor-specific assignments with ease. Employee Tracking Enhancements. Employees can now start a delivery or pickup directly from the tracking interface, provides better visibility of active delivery and pickup activities, improved UI for tracking, and smoother integration with mobile features.